Let's review how to use the Video Merger Accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the Video Editor page. Click on the Video Merger Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can upload videos from your device or pull them directly from connected cloud services like Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. After selecting your source, open the file picker and add the videos you want to combine. Once uploaded, your clips appear in a workspace list. You can add as many videos as you want. Reorder them by dragging or using the move controls until the sequence looks right. You can remove any clip instantly if needed. When ready, select Merge Videos to create one clean file. After processing, download in multiple formats, clear and restart if needed, or share the final video by web link, feedback, or email. This accordion is built for attorneys, teams, and everyday professionals who need precise, reliable video merges, without learning complex editing software. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Video Merger Accordion.